Hey, I'm Fish. DJI has auto low light. Man, I remember GoPro has auto low light. And we were just able to go into the profile, hit auto low light on or off. Whatever happened to it? Well, DJI now has automatic HDR video in 30 frames and 24 frames per second. So yeah, what happened? Why are we becoming AI, artificial intelligence, automatic intelligence? Why are we becoming automated? Where wouldn't you want to still have controls of things? Well, the Sony ZV-1 Mark II I have no control of the EV value in the camera on it. Heck, you don't believe me? Let me get the camera out. Let me open it up. Here it is. And I just want to swipe up. Let me know if you see EV in there. Oh no, they're not custom made. They're default. I never touched it. EV used to be there. The only way for us to get to the EV value, right? You got it. You're going to have to use that thing there in the lower left. I don't have to explain it to you. You don't have the camera. Check out other videos that are not talking about it. So yeah, I had a good time. I'll tell you what I'm going to go do. I'm going to go continue to enjoy my fun with the DJI Osmo Action 4. I'm having a good time with it. I'm enjoying it. It does the job for me. It's the most latest thing I got in hand, and that is what I use when I get things, the latest things. Oh, Fish, did you hear GoPro Hero 12 came out? Man, I had a scooter. Let me get on out of here.